All right, guys, we're gonna make those palmiers. I love those biscuits. It's really caramelized, crunchy, and buttery. It's very, very nice. And using a rough puff pastry. So you can see how the rough puff pastry is made on my channel. I will put a link on the description. So this, if you watch the video, super easy. And it's very cold water, very cold big dice of butter, flour, salt. You can put a bit of lemon juice or a bit of vinegar just to help crispy up the pastry. Mix it all. As soon as it combines, you have big lump of butter and stuff. You roll it 4 times the way I'm showing you, and here is the last time we're gonna roll it. So it's been rolled third time, and we're gonna do a fourth time, the last one, but with caster sugar instead using flour. So the sugar goes inside the pastry and will melt and caramelize in the oven. So that's been rolled, that's been folded 3 times. I'm just gonna reopen it, put some caster sugar inside, outside. You can be quite generous. And let's do the final folding. Don't hesitate to put more sugar if it starts sticking. Or if you see the sugar it has incorporated in the dough already, add a bit more. There you go. Last folding, 1/3, the other third on top. Let it rest in the fridge one more time, and then we will roll it with more sugar and do the folding for the palmier. Okie dokie. Last rolling. Bit more sugar. Right, so you roll it 1 centimeter thick. Length here I have 70 centimeter by 30 centimeter. We can trim the sides so we have a beautiful rectangle. We need to find the middle, mark it, don't cut it, just mark it. And each sides gonna fold it to the middle line. Same with this one. Give it a gentle roll so it's nice and tight, and fold it onto itself. Another gentle roll. Lovely. So we're gonna cut this in half. You see all the layers? So this is gonna just cool down in the fridge and then we'll cut it. The trimming, I can just do some slicing and this will go on a tray like that and bake it. That will be the chef trimmings. Alright guys, so those are nice and cold now. We're gonna cut it. So I'm gonna go for, let's see. About 2 centimeters. Alright. Then they're gonna go on this tray. And we're gonna just open them up like that. Just like that, we're gonna stick them in the oven at 180 degrees until nice and golden and caramelized and crunchy. Oh, by the way, I've cooked my trimmings. There you go, guys. A beautiful color, caramelized. Underneath. Ooh, hot. This one's still a bit pale, I'm gonna carry on. There you go. There you go, guys. Little palmier is really delicious. Well, those are my little trimmings. I'm gonna eat my trimming instead. I'm gonna leave those for the customers. So good. Enjoy!